All right, KJ, we got this Tesla in the garage today. What we working on? How we breaking this thing down?
All right, so first and foremost, the first thing that I like to do is roll all the windows down. Helps you out.
Why are we rolling windows down?
That's just what I do for any car. Let's say, for example, you have these, but most of the time when you're wrapping over these, you can't, open the door. So you want to just reach in here, bam, press that button, and you can start feeding the material, cutting it, doing all that good stuff. But we'll get into all that later.
So
right now,
it's a good habit to just
keep all the windows down.
keep the windows down. Gotcha.
Save you time. But the first thing I like to remove on all the Teslas is the window trims. I like to pull this back here, and then I just pull up. So that's how easy those things pop out. And I come over here to the back as well. Interesting. That's new. That's what I say. Always roll the windows down. See how that one didn't open? But yeah, you can't pull up on these. They won't come off. You literally have to pull this back piece. That's the only way these trims will come off. What's up, little lady? And then the second piece that I like to get to on these Teslas.
Hi, Molly.
Hey, baby girl.
Is these trims here. So you got, like, I believe this is a T20. It's about 8 of these all the way down. And this is basically, proper install. You always want to remove these instead of cutting in here and messing up this little flat that they got in there. So T20 all the way across. You want to slide it forward because there is like a little clip here. It's about yay big, and you remove that. But we will get into that in a second. Bam. So then that's the first thing I remove. And for the Ys, I come over here. You always want to start with that little guy there. So with your favorite tool, which are up here. So always get you guys a set of these. These will save your life when it comes to these little clips in here. I like to pretty much pry. Where do we just poke it? Pops right out. And then don't start here pulling these out or over here. You always want to start from the front. The front comes off like butter. It literally just clips all the way down. And it's that easy. You do that on each side. Bada boom, bada bang. And we're gonna get, and I always keep a baggie front bumper, so everything that I will be taking off, anything that's on the front bumper will be going into that little baggie. My favorite. I did a video on these, and these are really tedious, sort of, kind of, but I used to break a lot of these when I first started. So I had to dish out $150 each camera. That's how much they cost to replace. I'm taping and masking this off. That way I don't scratch the original paint on the person's car. Damage. My little focal point. That's all I really need. And my two favorites here. So you want to go in here, pull this plastic trim down. It's a little bit angry sometimes. All right, now we're going to here. Let me get that so I can show y'all real quick. Boom. So that's how you get these cameras off. That's one clip right there. Then there's another clip right here. My wife wrote that down for me. So there's one here. And then there's another one right here. So once you get these two off, I'll show you how to get to that. There we go. So now, best way to take these off. I like to, that first clip I showed y'all, I like to pop that one off. And then I like to go to the second one. Oh, you buddy. First one. The second one. They're both out. So I like to kind of put this guy here. Don't fall out. Don't fall out. So now I'm going to remove him. And I'm just gonna hold my hand there. Actually, I'm not gonna hold my hand there. I swear, each Tesla is different. Some, they pop out really easy. Some are just a little stiffer, I suppose. So we're gonna pop those back in, actually. I'm gonna start with the top. Gonna push down. That's how you always want to do these. You hear that? That's one of the top clips. They make a crunch sound. They don't make a clip sound. So I got that one out. That's the second. That's the first clip. Now I'm moving my way back to the second one. And that's the second clip. So the first and second clips are out. So now all we got is this one here. Boom. Top clips are out. First one pop back in. And the second one. Boom. There we go. We have our camera. As you can see, this clip is not broken. That one's not broken. This one's good. And this one's good. No clips are broken. You want to press down here firmly. Pull that out. And on the top of this one as well, pull that out. Just bent the shit out of my nail.
Ouch.
Ah! So, that's how you get that off without messing anything up. Hope y'all read that. Anywho, we're gonna get into the funk. So, the first thing you want to take care of is this piece. It's literally just clips, pull up. Easy. Somebody's calling me.
More like calling me. It's my phone, but sure.
Manchester, 603.
Oh, I need to take that.
We gotta take that.
Hello?
So. POV, so it's me. All right, so now you want to grab a 10 mil, the ones everyone lose. Always have two. We got a long one and we got a small one. But anywho, we are going to get into removing these bolts here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then then you also want to pop this out. Take this out with one of my favorite tools here is this. I like to put this right here. I need a little leverage and I'll pull it out. There we go. Boom. So yeah, stick this bad boy over here with this. And I'm going to start removing 1, 2, 3, 4. And we also have, don't forget about this clip right here. Boom. So that one goes over here in our little baggie as well. And we're back. So we got all of them removed. Take them over here to your baggie. Now, set y'all up real quick. All right, so now, just saw we removed all the tins from over here. And just pull it up. Set this right here for now. Funk. So now we have the inside. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna remove these, and then we're gonna come over here. Then we also have another tin here, so don't forget about that one. So let's get into it. All right, so now you want to turn the tire, then you want to kind of fold it back. So now you probably won't be able to see it. Let me see. Right there, y'all see it? It's a 10 mil right there on both sides. So in order to get this front bumper off, always remember on every Tesla, Model Y, X, S, 3, they all have this 10 mil right there. So now, I'm gonna pop that off. I'm gonna send my homie down there real quick. Normally this bad boy goes down a little further than what it does. These new vehicles, a lot stiffer than the old ones. I normally don't remove these, but oh, it's on my nerves. Anywho, now we got access. Alright, so now I'm gonna put that boy down there. Twist them up. Boom. This is what you got here. That little guy. Do that on both sides.
So there's just one or two?
Two. One on this side and one on the other side.
Yeah.
Then you come underneath. You got, I believe it's 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you want to basically use one of these, as I showed you guys earlier. This guy here will be your best friend. Boom. Bam. Do that to each side. Well, each one, and then 6 of these. We did notice this back here. Not sure you were mindful of that, but just send in a video. We always record all the damages on vehicles and send it to the customers before wrapping. All right, man, y'all know what it is. Shit, big dog shit, like for real. Anywho, so we want to get these trims out. well, not trims, but we pop these off. These are really hard. I was just took them off already, but you want to get something like this. Kind of pry these out on both sides. We'll let those be in there. And in order to get to, I believe it's a 5/16 to get this one off. So you want to come in here, pull this black trim back, get underneath, and these are basically clips. Boom, boom. And then you have access to one, and then you have another one up here. So 1 and 2. And then it's the same thing on this side. This one's a little bit more stiffer, but be careful. Same thing over here. 1 and 2. And we're gonna come under here. This is the first thing you want to take care of. Come on, baby. All right. So, pop these down, both sides.
It's literally just clips.
Just clips. So you want to remove this one first. You don't want to remove.
Yes, baby.
You want some water, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Get you some water. So we got a clip here. They don't want to come out. Got one there. Also one on the other side. That's why I say this tool. This guy here comes in handy. All right, so now let me just start from here since it's already out. Actually, we gotta get these bad boys out first. Just want to test those. This one already popped out, so I'll get that one out after. So, here. And you only have one thing here, which is this. This connects to everything in here. The speakers, the lights, all the good stuff. So, just leave this in here. Like that for right now. You heard me? And that's basically it. So now, you got another 5/16 right here. It's just one bolt for these taillights and another one over here. And don't forget to pop these bad boys out.
Wait, what are you popping? Oh. Gotcha.
And then you just pull them out. Those can be a little stiff.
So this here comes out, that there comes out, and then that takes that up there out.
Yeah.
The tail light.
So yeah, that's basically how you break down the back. Showed y'all how to get to them and get the screws. That's it.